Hello, tech savvies. Ransomware got you feeling like you're in a horror movie? Don't worry. Today, we're going to be your tech guru ghostbusters. We've got your back with a step-by-step guide to banish those pesky ransomware ghouls from your PC. First things first, don't panic. If you see a note on your computer screen saying your files are encrypted, or worse, your computer is locked, take a deep breath, relax, and let's consider your options. First, we need to figure out what kind of monster we're dealing with. Is it encrypting ransomware, screen locking ransomware, or just a fake pretending to be ransomware? If you can't get past a ransom note on your screen, you're likely dealing with screen locking ransomware. If you can browse through directories or apps, but can't open your regular files, then you're dealing with encrypting ransomware. If you can both navigate the system and read most files, then you're probably dealing with a faker. Now, you might be wondering, should you just pay the ransom? Well, most experts, and even Microsoft, advise against it. There's no guarantee you'll get your files back if you pay, and paying just encourages more ransomware attacks. So let's say you're dealing with encrypting ransomware, the most common and harmful kind. Here's what you do. Disconnect your machine from any others, and from any external hard drives. If you're on a network, go offline. Use a smartphone or camera to take a picture of the ransom note. You may want to file a police report later. Use antivirus or anti-malware software to clean the ransomware from your machine. This will not decrypt your files, but it will let you carry out the rest of the steps without ransomware trying to thwart the recovery process. See if you can recover deleted files. You may have shadow copy enabled, and you're just a few simple clicks away from restoring your files. Figure out exactly which strain of ransomware you're dealing with using online tools like CryptoSheriff or ID Ransomware. Then, you can see if there are decryption tools available for your particular strain of ransomware on websites like No More Ransom, Fight Ransomware, or the Windows Club. And last, but certainly not least, restore your files from a backup, if you have one. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Remember, the best defense against ransomware is a good offense. Regularly update your software, don't click on suspicious links, and always keep a backup of your files. Stay safe out there, and don't let ransomware monsters get you down. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time.